They're on top of the earth, you know. Yeah, we get to finish the hill, which is a prize, you know. Yeah, we're out here. I catch them dainty running here. Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, welcome back. Yeah, I'm Adrian.
I'm Jaden.
Cassandra.
Well, I was in you guys last video, so I'm Amanda.
Yeah man, so we're here. This is our regular morning routine, our workout routine. Yeah man, so we take on this hill here in Portmore, you know. Yeah, that steep hill. Yeah, a lot of persons take on a journey here, you know, as you know, exercise routine. But the sun glare kinda straight ahead still, but probably when we turn the corner you guys have a better, you know. A lot of people out today. We'll have to take it on. Yeah man, a place that I like therapy, you know. Yeah. Build your endurance. And probably see the telephone pole up the top. That's where we're going. Telephone pole up there, so.
Yeah, that what I do.
And this carbon
Guys, it's a journey. But each day you come and you take it on, you get better and better.
One of the mini inclines of the hill have one thing. Mini steep sections. Yeah.
This is a steep hill, guys. It's a journey. But each day you come and you take it on, you get better and better.
Walk up now.
Oh, this is...
That's the one easy climb, you know? So just take it how you can manage it, you understand? You're not trying to overexert yourself so that you can't finish the hill. We're trying to moderately go as fast as possible up the hill. So yeah, the more we do it, the faster we can get it done.
Of course, it's very steep. This is probably about one good 25-30 degree incline, and of course up the top right here it's even steeper. Yeah, I have to push it. Straighten up, straighten up, straighten up. Yeah, lean up so. Oof. Complete probably about 80% already. 75% thereabout. The rest of them are lag behind. But this section is very steep. So them take them sweet time. If you can see them. Tired? Eh? The finish line up ahead there. Rest of them might take them time.
You can't film me too.
They're on top of the earth, you know. Yeah, we get to finish the hill, which is a prize, you know. Yeah, we're out here. See them there? I lag behind. But them I make it though. Slowly but surely.
It won't stop. Can't stop till we make it.
You not reach it, you know? Yeah, man. And Portmore.
Yeah.
Kingston is like that way. The sun, I know the glare of the sun kind of affect the video. Yeah, but the Portmore tour, the tour booth is like right there. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the cranes. I don't know if you can see the crane them from the port. Yeah, so the cranes are like there from, you know, the port, and the toll road is right there. So the toll booth is right there. Yeah. All right, so I do some crunches now. Where Amanda is.
Wanda. What about our thumbnail?
Married thing.
Ready. Here we go. Yeah.
Too hard?
Up, forward.
Understand maybe you want to try to see. I'll wait through.
Next one. Grab your foot. Yeah.
Where is that? You must have kissed him?
I love the sweat. Good, good. How much you go? That good.
Alright.
You can do it.
And no with more conviction.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Cass, yes.
No confidence now. Keep going now. Keep going.
You have to stay. You have to stay. Jump further up there and just balance, catch your balance.
Like jump up and catch your balance. Like this.
You need to get control of your body. Go on again. Yeah, crouch. Jump and try and hold yourself. Yeah. Go on again. You jump further up upon it, man.
Lean forward.
Yeah, lean forward. Right. Yeah, good, good, good. That is it. Yeah, yeah.
Give hand, give hand.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Get into the rhythm.
Yes, you go further and further.
Yeah.
You know.
I'm not going to drop.
Yes. Come get
Do it together. Let's try and do it together.
Yeah, very good.
Come up with her, no? Wait. Come up with her. Yes, man. It's possible. Yeah.
One after the other, like she could me.
No, man. It's a rhythm. We not try to catch, you know. It's a rhythm.
Then if she can me
But
with him.
sometimes suppose me lick up in her or something.
Yes.
Yeah,
Or she can come up and when she come down, me go up.
Yeah.
That's
I
it.
like that.
Do it so me go up.
Just learning. You follow now.
Bend your knee. When you go up, go down. Go down. Yes. Yes. Good. Yeah. Good. Good. Keep control on nobody. Good. You need to crouch when you go up, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo.
Be careful.
Lean forward now. Yes. Lean forward.
Yeah. Just do them in a come on. Yeah.
Increase the speed now. Momentum.
Yeah. You tired now? I will leave you still.
I think that just
Ready? Much we do? As much?
15, 20. Come ready.
Alright,
Come ready.
25.
45.
Pan your toe. Pan your toe.
One,
Come ready.
one,
Why?
two,
You don't have to go all the way down, you know.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Some hops. Follow me when we're done and do the finish. You're gonna lift your legs up.
Yeah.
We're gonna inhale.
Yeah. Yeah.
How much you can do? Start the core. Go up.
All right.
What you can do?
Yeah.
You tighten the ears.
Cross your legs.
You have your legs in force. Hold it. I'm working with it. Now breathe in. So this video, it does broad screen video. Inhale coming up.
Yeah.
Inhale coming up. Inhale coming up. Inhale coming up.
Yeah, do you good, man?
You want to do
Yeah.
it? You're. How much I demand?
We're on our way down.
But then try. If we can find out what kind of fault we did, you see, once we can identify a fault, we feel like say, alright, because we can correct ourselves.
Yeah, man. Part of our routine, we'll go down to the beach now. We'll get, do some like a cooling down at the beach, nearby beach, Hellshire Beach, probably 8 minutes drive down the road. Get. Catch them dainty running here. We're gonna start with a cool down session. Yeah. The water is so nice. Yeah.
We're now at the beach, so it's really early in the morning. Basically nobody's here. We're the only persons here because it's really early. So this is something that we do when we go jogging and we have a little bit of time. We just come for half an hour, We just come for half an hour and kind of chill out. The first time we did it, it was so amazing. Like, you wouldn't even believe how amazing it was, and it is right now. We went jogging, and that hill, guys, let me tell you, like, it's not bad for Adrian, because Adrian is a lot fitter than we are, but it was a challenge going up that hill. It was our first time going up the hill today, in about 4 weeks.
Yeah.
In about 4 weeks we haven't gone up the hill. In about a month.
Yeah.
As Jaden said, because we were on total lockdown in Jamaica, so we weren't able to leave our houses or anything like that. So we basically weren't going out. So now we get free up a little bit and we say, no, let's go do all that we couldn't do before. Cause trust me, like, we used to go out there and we used to go up on the hill and but we never realized how much we really enjoyed it until when we used to and we couldn't go nowhere anymore. So it's really good to be out today. Getting a quick morning swim, but it's really beautiful here.
Yeah, man,
and
water pretty clean.
Water nice, man.
Clean and pretty,
You can see under the water.
Yeah, you can see straight through. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching, Remember to hit that subscribe button, alright?
Comment, share, like.
Yeah, man, turn on the post notifications. Alright, peace out.
Bye, guys.
Woo!